Hey everybody, today we're in my warehouse. We're going to be unboxing my new soap machine. It's an 8-column from Vend-Rite soap dispenser. So we'll take it out of the box, check out the features, see what it comes with, and give you my thoughts. I tell you what, this thing is heavy, man. 100 pounds in a big old box. It's going to be a little bit tough for me to get this out myself, but we'll get it down, open it up, and see what it's all about. We got some damage up here. Looks like the box forklift the box or something, but that metal should be straight. Let's open it up and see what it is. Get it back down here. Hopefully it's not a part that is shown, or we're gonna have a problem. Here's the 2 coin trays. Looks like the keys are in here as well. These off to the side. Looks like that's part of the top of the coin neck that was damaged. Ooh. Get you guys a closer look. Oops. So it looks like the top of this, I may be able to bend that back over with channel locks. We'll have to see. All right, let me get you. So we already have the one piece damage. Let's continue opening up and see how the rest of it looks. Oh, wow, this is heavy. This thing right here, the coin mix, this thing weighs about 40 pounds by itself. And you can see the top, it should be all straight. And it looks like I hit with another pallet or something. So I'll put this down over here and continue looking at it. Tools, we could cut this thing off, but I don't. I'm just gonna make do. This is not a toy. Thank you for patronage. So I believe these units are meant to be wall mounted, but I'm going to set it in the wall so it's flush. So I have to do some application to it. It looks like little damage over here too. Let me grab the keys, we'll open it up and see what it's all about inside. Comes with 4 keys. Hopefully you can see the number. I don't want you guys breaking into my soap machine. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, put it right in my face. There we go. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, that's not the key. Looks like they have 2 different keys. I don't know why they would do that. What's the point of having 2 different keys? I already got about 5 million keys, so. Alright, looks like if you look over here, the door has the camera. Okay, on the door over here, looks like it comes with a manual, a couple free samples. Over here, it says clean it today, don't put crushed boxes in. Looks like these are the top holders that'll push down, and then once it gets sold out, it can no longer push in anymore, and it will not let you buy anything. Down here, it looks like you got some plexiglass, so you can put the cover of each box in there. That way you can show your customers what's for sale. Inside here would be where the coin boxes sit. And down there is where the boxes fall, so you can grab them. It did come with these a box of these real tough, durable plastic laundry bags made by Vend-Rite. Picture. Currently sitting on the box right now. Pretty secure. Looks like the units will go like this. Okay, so the units drop in like this. Get some more on my chair. They probably want you to buy these boxes from them. They even have it automatically down here where the box would go. They already have their brand and there's the first slot, so they probably want you to buy it from them. I've never heard of this brand before, so. Okay, that sits in like that. I'll get you a close up in a second. And then we'll have to see how this, the coin pushers fit in here. Let's see what the instructions say. Warranty, you get a 1.5-year warranty. operations manual. Let's see if there's anything interesting in here. It's not even stable, it just falls apart. Mounting. Okay, that one piece of metal is a mounting bracket. So you mount that on the wall, and then this thing will pull up, sit on the wall, and then you screw it in underneath. But what we're going to be doing is cutting a hole in the wall, and we'll put screws in the side. That way it's flush mounted in the wall. That's how we're going to use it. All right, the coin slide bar to the cabinet. Boring, 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 boring. So this is the top of the machine. It looks like it got hit a couple times, maybe right here and right here. Pop this back out a little bit. I don't think that's a big deal. I'm more concerned about the, let's see, I can show you guys. This is the bar where it's against the wall. It'll hang on like this. Have a clip on the wall. This will hang on it. Then you screw it in, and that's how it's mounted. I'm more concerned about these, the damage on this. So this bar right here is supposed to be all flat, and you can clearly see it got really damaged by like a forklift, and over here too. I'll have to see how that fits inside the unit when I install it. Hopefully it's not a big deal, and we start making money with this unit. You want to see this machine installed? In our next how to run a laundromat video, we will be installing this in the wall, and we're thinking about making some changes too, where we're going to have it load from the back, rear loading. That way we can just load it from the back and not be in the laundromat while we're loading our machine. So we're going to talk about that, and we're going to install it on the wall. So check out our next video on how to run a laundromat series for that information. I'll put the link below too once we upload the next video, but overall, this is a very heavy machine, very sturdy, and I have the 4-column right now and I like it, so hopefully I'll like this one too. Hopefully the damage is not too big where we got to order replacement parts and we're able to bend the metal back a little bit, but overall, I'm happy with how it's packaged. It's pretty solid, and hopefully it makes me a lot of money.